Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Tuesday, April 19th. Let's find out what's on our calendar. We've been talking about symmetry, enjoying learning more and more about it. Let's see what's on our card today. Ooh, we have a rectangle. Let's see if we can draw a line of symmetry. Ooh, that's one line of symmetry. And we can even draw another line of symmetry. So there are at least two lines of symmetry with this rectangle. As we continue to talk more about our activities, let's go into our days in school. Whoa, believe it or not, we have made it to the 140th day in school. 140. Can you believe that? 140 days together. 140 days together. Let's see if we can show how we would represent 140 in different ways. 140. 140 is numbers. 140 as a number word series. Then we have 100 plus 40. Finally, we have 100 plus 40 here. And then for our coins, oh my goodness, we get to do something amazing. We can actually take off all of that and put $1 and 4 dimes, which equals 140 cents. Or $1.40. As we go into our popsicle collection, let's see how many sticks we get to add to our collection for this week's activity. We're adding on 3 more. So let's just keep these 3 close. And then we'll add on 3 more. 1. Oh, we have 4, and then we cross over to make a group of 5. 2, 3. We had to add on 3, and we just added on 3. So now we have a total of 6 sticks that have been collected for this particular week. What I'd like to do now with you All-Stars is this. We are going to take a trip. Pull out our math book that has blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. Of course, look at the screen. The picture of the cover of the book is on the screen. Blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. Blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. We're turning this book to page 62. 62. 62. I'll leave this up on the screen for a moment while you focus on that. Now that you have this book in front of you, we're going to go into this activity, and I'll make it a little bigger for you. We are now on the 14th decade day. 14th decade day. Tad took 13 leaps and reached 130. Count by tens to 130. So let's do that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. Now help Tad hop by ones across the 14th decade as you read these numbers. So we have 130 here, and we're just going to count by ones. So we're going to, and you can even take your pencil and actually draw it in. When we do it, I want to move this over so it's not in the way as we draw. 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. As you know, with these activities, we have a few jobs to do. So after we have hopped and counted, which is what it asked us to do, we are now going to trace over all of the numbers on this page. So you'll trace over each of these numbers. Great way to practice writing our numbers, but also a great way to practice counting our numbers. 130, 131, 132, 133, 134. You can say the number as you are writing it. You are going to continue to do this for a few moments. I'll explain the rest of this information, then I'll send you off to work on it. What you're going to do after you've traced all of these numbers is you're going to answer this question. What number comes after 139? So let's do this. Okay, I'll start here. 135, 136, 137, 138, 139. What would come next? Did you say 140? If you did, you are absolutely correct. 140. Now, big job on the bottom. Write the numbers that are 10 more than these numbers. Remember yesterday we practiced a game where we were doing this, where we had 120. Then you have to say, what is 10 more? If I add on 10 more, that would be 130. So as you see each one of these numbers add on 10 more, this is the next number. You're going to add on 10 more and write it down. 122. Add on 10 more. Write it down. Add 10 more to the number 103 and write it down. Well, let's do this. You know what? We can do this one together. 107. Let's get our 10 fingers ready to add on 10 more. We have 107. What comes next is 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117. Oh, wow. And then the next one is 122 plus 10. So we have 122. We're going to add on 10 more. 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132. That's 10 more. And then we have 103. We're going to add on 10 more. Get your 10 fingers ready to count on and add on 10 more to 103. So after 103 comes 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113. 10 more. Now, you're going to do the same thing with the numbers on the bottom, but instead of adding 10 more to each one of them, you're going to add 10 less. That means you take away 10. So we're still going to have our 10 fingers up, but we're going to be counting backwards instead of forward. So if we have 140, We're going to count back 10 to 10 less than 140. What's the number before 140? We just did that up here. Oh, you should know this one. 139, 138, 137, 136, 135, 134, 133, 132, 131, 130. And we just did this one together. So that one is not so tricky because we just did this. So we'll put 130 here. Then we have 10 less than 109 is 99. I'm sorry. 109. The number before that is 108, 107, 106, 105, 104, 103, 102, 101. Ooh, 199. Ooh, boy, 99. 95 with 10 less is 85. And then 126 with 10 less is 116. I hope you practice this. Get your hundreds chart out and practice adding on 10 more or adding on 10 less. Enjoy.